Alright, I'm going to show you how to use this website called sketch.io. We're just going to practice and explore it today. The first thing you'll need to do is choose your language. So for me, I speak English the best, so that's the one I'm going to choose. Once you click it, it should load. It might take just a little while. Okay, and that'll bring this window open. The first thing you need to do is create a new file, which is this plus sign on the left side. Choose your size of your image. We're going to do 500 by 500 and create. Alright, so this is like our paper. Step 1 will be the brush tool. You can choose the brush that you want. Let's go with the pencil to start with. And you can do a fill color inside of it if you'd like. I'm going to try red. And the outline is black. I'll leave it there. You can also choose the width or how thick you want the line to be. Let's try that. Oops, I just made a mark I didn't want to make. So I'm going to go to my select tool, click it, and hit delete. Alright, here we go. Let's make a heart shape. Notice because I selected that fill, it's going to fill in the shape for me. Pretty cool. If you don't want to fill, you can click on this little teardrop and it'll stop it. Maybe this heart has feet. Notice now there's no fill. Try all the different brushes that you want. This sketchy one is kind of fun. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to do a white fill and I'm going to give this creature some eyes. There. So sketchy makes it look like you kind of sketched it by hand. Pretty cool. Maybe some eyes. Maybe some little eyebrows. Ooh, but maybe I don't want those to be white on the inside. Click, delete, click and delete. Alright. Back to that brush tool. Let's turn off the fill. Give him a little mouth. Some eyebrows. Alright. 3 more tools to go. Next up will be the shape tool. Choose any shape that you want. Let's try this cool one, radial burst. And again, the fill color, you can choose a solid color, a linear color, or a radial color would look kind of cool with this. Maybe rainbow. That rainbow. Alright. Now, anywhere you want, you're just going to click and drag to make your shape as big or as small as you want. Cool. So for this one, you can do your select tool and you can move it around. And I want this to go behind the heart, so I'm going to go up to my layers and I'm going to drag this down so it's behind all those other lines I made. Layers are pretty cool. You can move them around to get things to go behind the other things. Awesome. Now I'm going to try the Clipart tool. There are so many different things you could have for Clipart. They're just pictures that are already made for you. Let's see, what if I wanted a cat? Type it in and hit enter. A bunch of cats come up. Which one do I like? This one's kind of fun. Alright, there it is. Again, I'm going to do my select tool. Click the cat. Let's resize it. Let's make it a lot smaller. Move it. Maybe it's on top of the heart. Nice. I could also right click and copy. Right click again and paste. There's another cat that's the same size. I can rotate by dragging this green arrow here. And that looks good. Okay, great. So we did the drawing tool, the shape tool, the Clipart tool. Last but not least, we're going to do the text. Choose your font here. There are so many different fonts. Just pick one that you think fits the feeling of your drawing. Mine's kind of funny, kind of fun. How about this one? Click anywhere to make your text. I had to double click in here to start typing. I have to delete where it says your text here. I'm going to call this Heart World. You can make the text say whatever you want it to say. Oops. I'm going to do my select tool. Now I can click the select tool. I'm going to select that text box and move it up a little bit. There we go. Nice. Once you've tried all 4 tools and you have a picture that you like, just for practice, now we're going to save it to our computer. And that's this one here. It's called Export. And most importantly, you want to download a JPEG file. That's just the type of file that it is. That one's easy for me to open up and grade. So download JPEG. It automatically downloads to your computer, and it calls it My Drawing for now. So when you go to turn it in on this page, you're going to say Insert Image, Upload from Computer this time. So it's different. It's not the camera, but we're going to take it out of the computer. Alright, and I can see it already. Usually it's here in Downloads if you can't find it. So I select it, or I click it, and I click Open. Hey, there it is. Pretty cool. I could also drag it and make it bigger if I needed to. And you're all done. Thanks for watching and have lots of fun.